Megan, you came back. I wasn't sure if you were going to come back after the last video, but you did. And I see that you're new, and you don't even know who I am. Who am I? What am I doing here? Driving around in my car on a beautiful sunny day. My name's Gabriella Brown, and I love to cook and eat and talk about food when I'm eating food, talking about what exactly is in the food and what it's doing to my body. And then sometimes I like to brush my teeth afterwards because I'm the founder of Tooth Soap. What is Tooth Soap? Tooth Soap is an organic, natural cleanser for your teeth and gums. It leaves them so clean you'll think you just had a professional cleaning. It's just so glorious, and it's going to be a high of 75, a whopping 75 degrees, which to me is just the most perfect weather. I'm not in California, but that's what it feels like. I'm actually from California. Is anyone out there from California? Are you from California? If you are, put in the comments below. I am from Cali. So I am a California girl, actually. I don't live there anymore, but I was born and raised in California. Lived there my whole life, but when my daughter was 2 years old, I decided to move and relocate, and I never went back. In 1996 is when I left. So I left in 1996. And when I left, my feelings were that California was too materialistic, and I didn't want my daughters to grow up with that, because I had grown up with it, and I still had it in me, and I just didn't want that for my daughters. So we moved away, and they didn't grow up around that. They don't understand it, what it is. Are you excited? I am. Welcome back. And welcome for the first time. For those of you that have never been here before, I'm Gabriella Brown. Welcome to my channel. We're eating pizza today that I just made on my balcony. It's sunny, it's in the low 70s, it's gorgeous outside, and I have 15 amazing benefits of olive oil to talk about as we enjoy this pizza together. And my pizza has a special topping today. That's right. I'm going to do an unboxing of these anchovies. We're going to have an unboxing as well. Okay, so it was the perfect video. This is the second time this has happened to me. So I have to address the issue and resolve it. But I filmed it. It was perfect, and I lost the entire 17 minutes of eating this delicious pizza. It was so good. You know, when I lost the film, I thought, well, you sort of were eating it very quickly, like you were inhaling it. It was so good. So anyway, at least you got to see it and I got to eat it, but not to leave you without any satiation when it comes to eating. I'm going to make another pizza. I need something different though, so I'm going to make a Mexican pizza, also known as a quesadilla. I'm going to make that and eat it, and you're going to see that right now. I'm just showing you the cute merch. It's cute. Isn't it cute? Mug. Really comfortable and supports Tooth Soap adventures. If you know these tips, you're going to make olive oil a part of your life every single day. This will explain why I am so obsessed with olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, and I have been for a very long time, probably 30 years. Let's eat this. Guacamole. "15 benefits of olive oil. Plant-based polyphenols clear the blood of toxins." All of us, no matter if we care about it or not, or want to acknowledge it or not, we're all being exposed to toxins on a daily basis. There was a study done on children, and cadmium, they found high levels of cadmium in children's blood. Where does cadmium come from? It comes from brake dust. So people putting the brakes on creates a dust and it gets into people's bodies. Olive oil clears the blood of toxins. It balances your cholesterol profile, prevents cardiovascular disease. It improves metabolic function. It clears the digestive tract of toxins and is good for the colon. It has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Olive oil has antimicrobial properties. They help to restore the health of the gastrointestinal tract by balancing trillions of live bacteria found in your gut. Isn't that amazing? It prevents obesity and weight gain. Extra virgin olive oil prevents gallstones by reducing overproduction of bile in the gallbladder. Olive oil enhances anti-aging and longevity. It can also be used topically to relieve pain and stress-related fatigue through deep massage. Olive oil keeps your skin glowing and reduces the appearance of wrinkles. Olive oil contains an antioxidant compound known as hydroxytyrosol, and this protects against the development of cancer cells, specifically in the rectum and bowel. Olive oil contains oleic acid, which clears the blood of free radicals and prevents cell oxidation and prevents cancer. Polyphenols and oleic acid found in olive oil relieve pressure on the walls of blood vessels, which reduces blood pressure. Olive oil helps with cognitive function. Consuming extra virgin olive oil with your food increases learning ability and protects memory. The polyphenols accomplish this by inducing a process where damaged cells self-destruct, taking intercellular toxins with them. Your body's so amazing. So I'm gonna casually put some seltzer in my new cup. Just casually put that there for a second. Just casually. Yeah, there's some merch below. This is the official 2 Soap Adventure badge. A little like California, but badges that are up and down the Pacific Coast. Totally love it. Okay, that is it. We did it. We completed this adventure. I'm very excited, and I want to do another pizza for you. A different type of pizza, but a pizza nonetheless. And now I know what I need to do because I fixed the problem. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, could you please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you again for joining me. I hope to see you again soon.